guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn on Safe Search filter in Chrome. So let's get started. So if you are trying to turn on Safe Search filter in Chrome, now to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your Chrome browser. And after opening up your browser, in the top right corner you will find the three dotted icon. Just simply tap on it and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, just simply tap on privacy and security, and inside your privacy and security, now you just have to search for an option which is Safe Search. So you will find it over here. Just simply tap on it and then change it to enhanced protection. So after changing it to enhanced protection, now you have to search for the second option. So just simply come back and then search for use secure DNS. So after tapping on use secure DNS, now all you have to do is just simply tap on choose another provider, and after tapping on choose another provider, now you'll find customize option over here. Just simply tap on it and then change it to clear browsing family filter, and after changing it to that, now you have successfully turned on Safe Search in your Chrome. So that's it guys, this is how to turn on Safe Search filter in Chrome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.